So right now I don't have a vise with me, so I'm using this this vice grip to hold the wires while I solder. So that'll work, and I just put it on my table and wire it up. And then put some heat shrink to it. But I appreciate everybody that's on my live. Please leave a comment down below, and I can make you moderator if you comment enough, and I know you'll be back on my live. I'll be going live every day. But I didn't go live on the weekend because I was really busy doing family things. Frankie Latoil, get a real bike. Thank you. I can't afford a real bike, so I made my own. Thank you very much. And it is a real bike. Thank you. It's a real bike. It's not fake. Look. It's a real bike. It's a real bike. It's here. Frankie Day, you'll be in my video with that comment. So get a real bike. Consider subscribing so you can see a real bike in action. Please consider subscribing, guys, and hit that like button for me. Please leave a comment down below, guys, so I know who's here on the live. I'm just working on the wiring. But right now, the soldering is not working. I need a better soldering gun. Like and subscribe, guys. Soon I'll be going live riding the bike. And when the weather gets better, we'll go out and ride it everywhere. Right now, snow is coming this way. They said about 10 inches of snow. And I'm gonna take this ride. We're gonna take this bike on the ride when the snow gets here. If it ever gets here, not sure. Not sure if the snow will ever get here, guys, but it's on the way. Here, let's see if you can. This is what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm gonna put you here so you can see what I am doing. I'm just messing with the wiring here. How much for the bike? Curtis Coleman. Yes, sir. We got the bike was one second. The bike was like 1,500. And the controllers and wiring and everything else was like 300. The other battery was about 200. It's a list. It's a list of things. So for the whole bike, probably less than 2 grand, less than 1,500, I'll say. I think for the whole setup. No, I don't sell them, but I'll build them. I can build you one. I can build you one if you need one, but I don't sell them. You got $1,000 for one? No way. It's all-wheel drive. It'll be a lot more than just $1,000. I'm just trying to soak the wire with the solder. But this is the how fast is it? It goes about, I'm not really sure how fast, but it's going to go about 50 to around 50, I'll say. You see, one second. Check out the setup here. It has 2 displays. I wired up this whole bike. The bike came with all this wiring here from the amyet. See all these? This was all the amyet parts, and I took them off. Did all my wiring myself, and just put the controllers down here. I'm working on the wiring right now, so it looks all like a nest. And I put my own other battery I got off Amazon, put it down there. That's for one controller, and that's the other controller. There's 2 controllers, 2 batteries, 2-wheel drive, 2 displays, 2 throttles, 2 of everything on this bike. So guys, please consider subscribing. And I'm just wiring up the bike right now. But if you guys want a bike, I could build you one. That's not a problem. Oop, excuse me. You see in my videos how fast it is too. Just check out my videos. I haven't yet took it to the limit on the bike, so I haven't gone on rides to see how fast it'll go, because I just wanted to wire it up and not play with the parameters on the displays yet. But soon we will find out how fast it'll go. I played with the parameters already, and I set the displays at its fastest current and its fastest levels. I play with the P settings and the C settings on the displays. So now, and the brightness on the displays. So now the brightness of the displays is a lot more. It's brighter, and then it's faster now. Both I play with the motors, so we set them at the highest level. So we'll check that out soon. See how fast it'll go. But right now I'm just wiring up this this wire, thicker gauge wire, to the XT60 connector. Please guys, leave a comment down below so I know who you are, and please consider subscribing. I'm just messing with the bike right now, and people are telling me to get a real bike, and other things. But soon we will be going on the rides of its life and see how fast it'll go. That's for sure. So what's up guys, what's new? Right now, they're trying to make e-bikes illegal. So you better get your e-bikes while you can buy your e-bikes. And if you want to upgrade your e-bike, that's going to be illegal also. So soon, we can't be doing none of this. It's going to be illegal. But not everybody can work on their own bikes. Memo Yayo, hello again. You will be the next moderator for the live. I appreciate you for commenting and coming on my live again. Please hit that like button, consider subscribing. I'm just working on the e-bike today. I'm wiring up these wires, getting them cut, wired, and just getting everything situated in their right place. Thank you for joining my live. I appreciate you. What's up, guys? Just getting the bike wired up, guys, so I can take it to work a little bit and go for a ride. I'm gonna go for at least a 20-minute ride before work and see how the wiring holds up. Because the wiring right now, it's is asking to be beefed up. So how's the bike going? It's going good. It's going good right now. But the wiring that came on the bike, it's very, very thin wires. So what I got to do is beef up the wires, solder them, and just getting it to where it's not gonna burn through the wires, the voltage, because I'm putting a lot of current through these wires now. So